stuck in a vending machine. Help me. Oh my god, I don't want to be stuck. I don't want to eat a donut, please. I'm stuck.
With every calorie.
I'm just gonna order everything.
And I'm gonna ban your dick. Now get out of my face.
Okay, buddy. Get ready for saying that, buddy.
Why do you have to like? Oh, I'm sick of so much. One more.
Because
I'm gonna report.
my name is Iso for a reason, bucko.
I'm stuck in here.
Hey, he's false reporting. Tickle him. He's false reporting. Tickle.
No, you just burning people, bro.
Help me. This is a bug. This isn't my fault.
Now you're false reporting, and then you're gonna leave.
Oh my god.
Yeah, nice.
You're false reporting.